eThekwini Matters, Sanibonani. We are celebrating Women of Value. August is the Women Month where we are celebrating women who have done it in life. My name is Zandile Mieleli, Deputy Mayor. You are asking yourself, do we have a new host? Yes, indeed, for this episode. With me today, I'm with women in uniform, women in the law enforcement agents. With me, I have Chief Cindy Nsimang from RTI. I also have Sergeant Pindile Mabizela from SAPS. I also have Metro Police, Colonel Bongiwe Pinky Kitikiti. The subject here, it's all about celebrating women in the law enforcement agents. Sanibonani madodana.
Someone DM.
Niyaphila?
Siyaphila njani?
Siyaphila nathi sikhona. It's an honor indeed to be the host today. Women all out eThekwini, when they see you, they see themselves. And they also want to know more about what you're doing in your job. When I was young, there was a perception that when you talk about the law enforcement, it is a terrain, yalenye gender. But now we are seeing a lot of women in the space. Let us start with you, my colleague from Altsiak. Tell us, what is it like to be a woman in this space?
Ngiyabonga DM. Ukuba i-woman kwe-law enforcement. Qala kakuchallenge kakhulu. I was employed in 2004.
Okay.
As a traffic officer back in the days. Kwakunaleyo nto ukuthi amadoda umsebenzi wamadoda lo.
Yes.
Abantu besifazane at that time babesabancane kakhulu. Ka-RTI. So sakhula ke sibe strong sifunda ngendlela ukuthi kahle kahle how do you approach abantu emsebenzini wakho wenzayo ngoba umsebenzi akona umsebenzi ulula. Kulo msebenzi sikubona unzima ngoba kwesinye isikhathi uyayithi uyimisela imoto honestly kanti usumisa imoto ephuma kwi-robbery. Usuthola ukulimala. So ecollege siyafundisa ukuthi how do you manage izimo ezifana nalezo. Kodwa ke ne-approach ke ikakhulukazi ke yabanye abantu besilisa ke ngibabale bonke mangabe bezathina baba nalento ukuthi hawu umuntu wekhishi lo. Umuntu ufuneka apheke ipapa lo kakhe akuyena umuntu wesibhamu lo. So kulo msebenzi ke sikona kumele udamatisi. Khoyisela udamatisi amati engazi ukuthi ethe
Ngiyalilothelelo ga.
athi ethe yekulungela. So ama-challenges siqhamuke ehlangana nawo endleleni leyo. So siyafundisa college ukuthi how do we approach such situations. Funeke ube umuntu wesifazane oba ne-authority. Uzazi ukuthi ngibusemsebenzini la oyingozi kangakanani. Angifuni ukugeqa amagula mina ngakhuluma kuze koshone ilanga. Ake ngidedele lozakwethu mhlawumbe khona afisa uku-add kona.
No, siyabonga kakhulu. Uma sikhuluma ngoSAPS, nakhona history attached to ukube nephoyisa. Zoom into now the challenges that you are facing compared to at the time when you were employed. What can you say about that?
Ngibonga kakhulu DM. Okuyinkinga kakhulu nje engiye ngabhekana nakho bengingikubone okokuthi umphakathi especially ama-males
Yes.
abanayo i-trust ekuthina babona njengabantu esi-uncapable. Ukuthi mhlambe if uzophunywa let's say ufika ucomplainene ebusuku siyasebenza nabafana. If ezonikezwa intombazane nomfana abahamba nge-crew kuyintombazane uzokwazi kodwa ukuyenza lona lento. Ngenxa yalo ngenxa yokuthi
Mhlawumbe for the benefits of our viewers, yini crew?
Crew ilo osuke uhamba naye umsebenzi usebenza naye ithi khona udriver
We are in mud indeed.
kufike kube lo driver evenini mase kuba no crew lo omsizi ka driver lo zobuya sha time usungena ngoba khona imoto eqhamukayo.
Okay.
Yes. So ezinye izinto esifacana nazo lezo nanokuthi ama-males within the organization now uthola ukuthi sometimes bazothi wena Siphindile uzomela ukuthi uhlale office ucaptureisha ama-dockets ngoba uzothi nje uvele uyithole nje isikhathi esiningi kwi-admin ngenxa yokuthi bakholelwa ukuthi we are not strong enough. Whereas we are strong, sitrainiwe ngendlela efanayo. Uma ufika e-college awukho umehluko we-training, kuyafana. Nanokuthi-ke enye into engiye ngibone-ke ukutrainwa kwethu kufana nje, sifundiswa ne-discipline at the same time. Nanokuthi kuyakusiza futhi nokuthi ukutrainwa kwethu kusiza ekuthenini if umuntu enenkinga, you not sympathize, you empathize. Uyabona ukuthi uyakwazi ukudila nomuntu ngoba once sympathize manje uzohluleze vele sesemede. So that's why not that kade mention ukuthi fanele kube ukuthi ngempela awuyena uKlamatisi. Ngoba ziningi inkinga esifacana nazo, nenkinga ethola ukuthi ifana neyakhe yakwaKwehlekela. Obviously iyalokhuzana ivele kube nama flashbacks ngesikhathi phosa kubuye yakho. Ngesikhathi ibuya yakho wenze njani? Siyatraina konke lokho.
We are empowered, indeed. It's important also to highlight that when we're talking about women in the law enforcement, we have now seen a paradigm shift where women are occupying a senior position, of which when we celebrate a Women's Month, we must also celebrate that because it's a milestone that nobody thought that we will be here.
Yeah.
As I've said in my remarks, we are a full house of women of virtue. We have Colonel Pinky here from Metropolis. At times, as a community, we say, "Nabo mampois." Angazi ke noma siyasho ukuthi overpoisa, but the subject for another day. Kunjani ukuba iphoyisa lesifazane in a male-dominated field? In a society that is still also transforming to understand that being a woman does not make you a lesser a police. You are indeed equal to the task. As the colleague said, when you went to college, you received the same training. There is no segregation that says women training would be like this, male training, it would be like this. You are now here in the only metro in our province, working here. What are the challenges?
DM.
Siyaphila?
Siyaphila njani?
We are well and good.
Thank you. I'll just mix. And okay, if I can just start, being in a male-dominated environment, it is a bit of a challenge. Because really, as my colleague had said from Sapsubuti, you are seen as someone who must be just behind the office. But in this day and age, we find women, they are the ones who are teaching people how to shoot. They are the ones also in the search and rescue, where they save people when there's disasters. So nje, I would say opportunities are there. And konke lokho makwenzeka futhi, you find yourself when you're dealing with the MOPs on the road, if it's male, what they do, okay, MOP is the member of the public, okay, especially males, when they see,
We are advancing viewers. I hope you take note.
yeah, when they see women, babona umuntu abazomshela.
Yes.
Lapho wena you are there, uzokwenza umsebenzi wakho, and you are expected ukuthi nae give respect. Ngoba and as we are taught ukuthi nae as women fanele sithobe ngasonke isikhathi. But all of that you get to learn it when you're at college, where you get to understand individuals from different environments, and also how to deal with males, how to deal with females. So that's why I say, as much as it is challenging, but in this day and age, it has become so easy that the municipality and mostly the big organizations have given women those opportunities. Ukuthi you can also do it. As I've said, ukuthi women can also teach people how to shoot. We have range officers who are women, and we also have police women riding motorcycles. So with that being said, it just shows ukuthi nae anything is possible even for women with the opportunities that are given to each and every one of us.
What I'm learning here is that women in the law enforcement agencies, yes, are facing challenges, but these challenges cannot be isolated with what the society is still confronting, because the issue of patriarchy is still there in the society. And moving forward, you must also celebrate that as a country, as a city, we have also made opportunities to advance women agenda. Also with the colleagues from other law enforcement agencies, they are saying that women are getting opportunities. I think we got something to celebrate. Hence, we are saying we need to go further in order to educate our community members that if you are working there, awuyena usisi noma umamphoyisa there for whatever, but you are here to do your work. So you are also demanding respect from the community. I think we are indeed moving in a situation where we need to have these more debates so that the community will be empowered more on how can they relate to you moving forward. On a lighter note, being a mother in the law enforcement agency, amanje umngane mayikhala uthi hey wena ngizokushaya bese isaba kakhulu. In a family, you are an aunt, you are a makoti. How do you balance the family environment vis-a-vis? Because people, when they relate to you, banithatha njengabantu besifazane who are hard because of your work, which it makes them even have higher expectations, even at a family setup. How do you then balance umamphoyisha mesefikile wabheka neso yakhe yokusebenza lapha sewumakoti sewumakoti
Gqibelo yimi lo emabhodweni.
yes nenza kanjani mantombazane?
Hayi iwishi nje, but into engayisho ukuthi to be a mother, a working mother, is a challenge for everyone, whether you're a traffic officer or not. To be a working mother needs amandla akazi aqhamuka kumdali ngoba ayidona into ongazenzela wena uwedwa. So mina ngiye ngithi I need support eningi kakhulu when it comes to being a mother, because ngibuye emsebenzini ngikhathele.
Yes.
Siyasebenza, siyacela abantu ukuthi osisi laba sigadela ingane benze umusa abasigadele kahle ingane zethu. Ngoba sibuya sikhathele emakhaya, sibuya size siyithathe umsebenzi kwesinye isikhathi sihambe nabo emakhaya ngoba sinama deadlines that we need to meet. So usizo siluthola kuma family members siya appreciate kakhulu ngoba lento ye parenting ayilula. And mina nginano 3 years ade ngintshela nje ukuthi mina uNkulunkulu angibusisa ngengane sengimdala. So ngino 3 years wami nje ofuna i-attention, ukathi mengifika endlini athi mami asidlale ibhasi yamanesi.
Yes.
Asasibamba nekanti sidlala ibhasi siyoqhuma sera. Asakhathele manje ufuna ukudlala ibhasi yamanesi. So I need to be fit and fresh and be able for my child, because ungenami kudinga uma-wife.
Yes.
So it means that amandla ami njengoba ngisho qhamuka kumdala kufanele ngibe nawo amandla ngoba ngiyathanda ingane yami nama-memories, ibe nama-memories are-right with uma-wife, and I need to be there for my child. Kunezinto ey'ningi kufuneka zesikole futhi kufuneka sibe khona, sibe present. So can you imagine you coming from work with this male-dominated environment? Asebeyichazile ozakwethu ukuthi kufuneke ube umuntu wesifazane onje, so mentally udila nalento. Kufuneka ufike ekhaya uzoperforma as a mother. Uphinde futhi ube wife. Nasebusuku phela uwife phela. Yayizwa leyo nto. Kune nakhona futhi uzokwenza. Niyezwa ukuthi sidinga amaqhuma kumdali ukuze siyenze lento. Kodwa through support yama families ke kuyenzeka. Abanike through aunt kuyenzeka.
Multitasking.
Yes, through kuyenzeka. So say appreciate kakhulu imndeni esizayo when it comes to raising ingane zethu. It's not easy, I will not lie to you. But ngamandla nje kaNkulunkulu kuyenzeka. nabazali bethu babekwenza ngendlela babekwenza kubemeneja sakhula saba ngaka. So nathi-ke sisisho kanjalo sithi bazokhula nje futhi bayakhula kahle.
Colonel,
I'll also add.
ukuzomama.
Yeah. Engingakusho nje ukuthi you know when you're at work you sometimes find yourself switch ama-roles and you're a mother.
Yes.
And lokho it's something that you learn as umusukuse college because you know dealing with different types of people. So and then when you are there as a mother at work and also moving to ekhaya futhi, you have to be a mother. It is challenging, but you learn as you go along with I need to switch roles. You switch roles where sometimes you become a mother emsebenzini khona umuntu onesimo esithize ngoba as a woman you are easily approached.
Yes.
And people feel that comfort that comes from a mother. So when you also go home, kuyafika futhi na kuba khona nokho ukuthi you need to switch roles now from being iphoyisa where you also need to give command ekhaya. So lapho makhane kushintsha ukuthi uyena manje uba iphoyisa-ke ekhaya. I get those from umfana wami omdala. He would tell me ukuthi na ubuye ube uyisana. Ekhaya phela remember ukuthi human mother. And lokho kuyenzeka sometimes with the challenges that you will face at work, where you are faced with there's males at work that you need to be in charge of and you need to enforce. You need to enforce imithetho that needs to be followed, especially when it comes to having females taking bigger roles. It becomes a big challenge, but you are able to manage.
You are able to manage. I think that is a very important statement that women indeed, the way they were born, they were given power, the resilience, and they were able to balance. A mother can cook one time, do the washing also, multitask, do everything that you can think in one space. But also women are taking that strength to their workplace so that they will balance life. Mhlambe olunye udaba engifisa sisi ukulibheka olokuthi uma ngabe nibuka la nikhona ngokusebenza abesifazane everywhere you go we are saying they must take opportunities so that they will grow. How is the reception? Are women applying for senior posts? And then are they getting it in terms of numbers? Are we seeing more women occupying positions? Or what is the status quo roughly where you are?
Yes. Ka-RTI kancane kancane afuna ngabe khona esibonayo ukwenzakalayo. Sibonga nje ubuholi obusha obungenayo ukushintsha kobuholi ku-government. Uthola ukuthi ofikayo naye uyabona ukuthi kuyalekha la azapha ukuthi akhuphule abantu besifazane. So nje sekukhona sikubonayo okwenzakalayo. However, mase kuba khona-ke la kume khona laphezulu la kugcwele khona iy'ntshebeke la kunganyakazi khona nabo sesibheke nje ukuthi bashaye o-65 babo bathi ukudeda-ke kungena abantu besifazane. So ka-RTI sizosho sithi ikhona i-growth esiyibona in terms of abantu besifazane noma-ke singakafiki la-ke sifisa ukuthi sifike khona abantu besifazane. Sikhona ready abantu bafundile they possess all the requirements ukuthi baphathe ama-senior positions. So sengithi nje abalaleli kucela beze ukuthi si-ready sikhona silindele ukuthi sithathe i-step esilandelayo ukuze sikwazi ukuthi sihole lo mbutho waka-RTI aye phambili.
Baredi bakhona, they are drawing their inspiration from women of 1956 who took a decision to say no to the apartheid laws. But now women in 2025 are saying they are ready to occupy their space. I like that one. Metropolis, how is the status quo now? Women leadership.
In the metropolis, if I can be honest, there is so much growth. if you see in the past years, for the past 18 years, whilst I'm saying whilst I'm in Metropolis, yes, there is so much growth, and you can see women are taking their roles seriously and with authority from what they are taught. You don't find women taking a step back to say, no, men must lead. They lead now. And that has given most men that, that environment to say, ish, they have adjusted as well because they've seen what we are capable. And being given those opportunities, they see what we take them with courage and also with strength.
Tell us, certain in the perspective of where you are in the subs, women occupying a senior position now. What is the outlook? Because when we encourage young women, we always say the barrier of saying this sector is male dominated should not be something that hinder you to choose your career correctly. You must also look at all sectors, including the law enforcement. The relevant question is, are women getting opportunities to advance their work where you are in the law enforcement agencies?
Yebo kakhulu futhi yabo nje kule minyaka sikhona siyabona bayakhuphuka nje umnandi siyabona nathi kuyasijabulisa ukubuka abangaphezulu kwethu bekhuphuka nanokuthi kuyasi-encourage kwathina esesaphansi ukuthi asifunde sifunde kakhulu sike kuyafundwa ukuze unyuke ayikho irenki yamahhala vele uvuke nje kusasa ekuseni sineze irenki yamahhala kumele ufunde njengoba nje nami njengamanje ngiyafunda. This is my last module, I'm doing i-module yami yokugcina so that ngizokwazi obtain my degree. Ngenza i-bachelor's degree in police practices. So ku-encourage kakhulu ukubuka bepromotwa ngabona ukuthi hayi kuyenzeka ngifunde nami ngibone ukuthi ngeke kuze kwenzeke yini ngimini. Encourage.
Education is key.
Yes, exactly.
You're encouraging women in subs that opportunities are there, go and grab them. But the key really to go to schools.
Yep.
I get you. This was the episode where we're engaging with women. As the host, I want to thank you and say, women, go out there and enjoy yourself. When we're engaging with these powerful women, one thing that I can say is that the sky is indeed the limit. The law enforcement is for everyone who feels that they do have what it takes to work in that space. You have heard it from Metro, SAPS, RTI, where women, they were saying they are indeed enjoying their job. Thank you for watching eThekwini.